ITUA ria igoti inene ria kurekereria uria wari mwandiki wa mohoro JACQUE MARIBE muthi wa gatano kiumia kihituku iguru rigie cira uria wamugumiire wa njuragano ya uria wari muhuri biacara KIMANI nirireganitwo nario ni wabici ya mutongoria wa thitango cia muingi ODPP. Kuringana na ihoya riria rikitio ria kwenda gucokia cira uyu RIKO, wabici ino yugite ikahuthira gitumi kiria mucirithania Nzioka ahuthirire gia kurekereria MARIBE cira-ini uyu kuria kinyaniire ati thitango iria ahinguriirwo ticio ciagiriire cira-ini uyu, kuona mahitia ma MARIBE mari o kuheana ndumiriri ya maheni inde hatire woira o wothe wonanitie ati ni anyitire itemi na njira imwe kana ingi hari kuraga KIMANI.
The results is that the prosecution did not adduce adequate evidence for this court to find the second accused person guilty of the offense of murder of Monica Kimani. The second accused person is acquitted of the offense.
Akirekereria itua riake tariki 9 kiumia kihituku, mucirithania Nzioka ni anyitire mwikuirwo munene cira-ini uyu Joseph Irungu kana Njui na mahitia ma gukorwo oragire Monica Kimani kuri utuku wa tariki 19 mweri wa 9 mwaka wa 2018 nyumba-ini ya Lamuria Gardens gwake mucii.
In certain criminal cases, particularly those which involve many witnesses, discrepancies are in many instances inevitable. Court of Appeal had this to say on contradictions. It must be remembered that when it comes to human recollection, not witnesses recall exactly the same thing to the minutest detail. Some discrepancies must be expected because human recollection is not infallible, and no two people perceive the same phenomena exactly the same way.
Mucirithania Nzioka ahuthirire mawira 13 maria makuruhanitie Njui na gukorwo niwe watabanirie njuragano ino, ta gukorwo ahenirie igoti ati matiowaine na Monica Kimani na njira o yothe, indi wira wonanitie ni mowaine kwa ihinda iraya, gukorwo aire kibande kia Dominic Bisera na agikihuthira kuingira nyumba-ini kuria Monica aikaraga, gukorwo ari nyumba kwa Monica muthenya uria oragirwo na niwe wari mundu wa muthia kuonekana nake ari muoyo.
That where a victim was last seen by the accused and is found dead, the death of the victim will be presumed, and it will be presumed that the last person he was last seen with is responsible for his death.
Kwa ihinda riri Njui ahingiritwo rumande etereire tariki 8 mweri ukite riria agakorwo agituirwo kioho.